Hi guys, welcome to Hub. In this video, we are discussing ISS as exam 2023 paper 2. इससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि we are providing that all solved papers from 2014 to 2024 which are very useful for your preparation of ISS exams, in which we provide paper 1 to paper 4 and general English and general studies. So if you want these 6 papers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or you can see the details on our catalog of WhatsApp. Now here we are discussing that the question number 1 of this paper, which is the radius of a circle is measured with an error of measurement with normal distribution. Let x1 to xn be n measurement of the radius, and where let x bar be the sample mean and s square be the sample variance. What is the unbiased estimator of the area of the circle? So in this question, what we have given is first x bar, which is a mean, and second one is s square. Second one is a s square, which is given is si minus x bar square upon n minus 1. This is given here. This is a sample variance. Now we have to find the unbiased estimator of the area of the circle. We know that the area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is the pi r square. Now, if we want to find the area of the unbiased estimator of the this pi r square, so because we know that pi is a constant term, but r is a variable, so we can find the unbiased estimator of the r square. In the statistic, there is a term of x square. X square is similar to r square, which is similar to this one. This is an important result of the statistic, in which if we are finding the so es square so is similar to the r square. So x is sorry, because we are finding the expectation of a, and we have this one pi r square. Now we can write this whole formula for this. So pi and expectation of r square means this one upon n s square. So pi summation xi square upon n minus s square, which is similar to the C option. And if you have another queries related to the any questions, so you can contact us and you can purchase our notes so that you can prepare for well. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.